Welcome to this cognitive diffusion exercise, which also has bilateral stimulation music on it and water sounds. So make yourself comfortable, settle in, and then start to visualize yourself resting and relaxing near a stream or a river. Just notice what it feels like being there. And when thoughts come in and into your mind, think about placing them on top of a leaf and watching them float away down the water, down the river or stream that's passing by. And notice from a distance your thoughts going down the stream on the leaf. See them moving further and further away. This includes all the thoughts, so that could be nice thoughts, upsetting thoughts, or pleasurable thoughts. The more be placed on the leaf and float away down the stream. If you notice that your thoughts stop, you stop having thoughts, just notice the water and wait for them to come back again. Just notice them coming in. And sometimes it can feel like, oh, this is stupid or this is boring. But you can put those thoughts as well onto a leaf and let them just wash away and pass on down the river or the stream. And watch them float away down the water. Just notice if a leaf gets stuck, and you can just allow it to take its time for that thought to float away when it's ready. And if sometimes difficult feelings can come up, or thoughts come in that are upsetting, you can put those on a leaf also and just let them float away down the stream or the river there. Just notice them getting further away. And it can be that you get distracted, and that's normal. It's just noticing the stream and refocusing your attention back on the water. When you're ready, just letting those thoughts go on a leaf down the stream again. When you're ready, just notice where you are, what's around you, and bring yourself a little bit out of it all again. Just notice what you can see and smell around you, and what you can touch and hear, and just bring yourself back to the present. And then just practice as much as you like, and enjoy.